In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products with Hostinger Website Builder. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Hostinger dashboard and head to the Store Manager. Navigate to Manage Store, then Products, and choose Add Product. This is where you create the item your customers will buy. When prompted for the product type, select Digital so the system treats it as a downloadable item rather than a physical good. Next, you'll upload your files. For files up to 100 megabytes, you can upload them directly. If your product is larger, bundle the assets into a zip file or provide an external download link from a reliable cloud host. Using a zip keeps multiple files organized, and a secure external link is a good option for very large media or coarse files. Make sure file names are clear and professional, and consider including a README or license file inside the zip to explain usage rights. Now add the product details that will appear on your site. Enter a clear title, a helpful description, and set the price. If writing product copy feels daunting, use the integrated AI writer to generate a polished description, then refine it so it matches your voice. You can also add an SKU or quantity if you want to track sales, or limit the number of downloads. Keep in mind that quantity for digital goods is mainly for management. You don't need physical stock, but limiting quantities can create scarcity if that fits your strategy. Configure the download link's validity so buyers can't share permanent access. Set a reasonable expiration time based on the type of product and your support policy. This helps protect your content while still giving customers enough time to download. To display the product on your website, add an online store section to the page where you want customers to discover it. Select the digital product you just created to feature it. Take some time to customize the layout, preview the listing, and ensure images and videos are high quality and properly cropped. A good thumbnail and a short demo video can significantly increase conversions. Finally, focus on customization and promotion. Use AI tools to refine descriptions and create compelling marketing copy. Add professional images or short videos that show value. Drive traffic with search engine optimization, targeted social media posts, and email campaigns announcing the launch. Double-check payment gateways like PayPal are configured and run a test purchase to confirm checkout and downloads work smoothly. Follow these steps and you'll have a secure, attractive digital product listing ready to sell on Hostinger.